Hello, hello mga sisterettes. Good afternoon mga bros. Good afternoon. It's 2:22 p.m. here in Ontario, Canada. And it's February 18, 2016. Now, this is my January favorite thing. Okay? Thing, no? My thing, no? Anyway, this is the one I have when I was in the Philippines. Yung mga binili ko sa Pilipinas at saka yung dinala ko sa Pilipinas. Dalawa lang naman dinala ko sa Pilipinas na galing dito sa Canada. Okay? This one, okay? I'll show it to you anyway. There you go, guys. Okay? So, sorry. Alam mo talaga hindi gumagaling. Yung Abino, ito binili ko to sa Superstore. It was on sale for $3.99. Kasi, 'di ba, pag tayo magta-travel, even I travel from here to North Carolina or here to Vegas or from Cuba or from here to Cuba, lagi ako nagdadala ng lotion para sa aking face at sa aking kamayers. Kasi parang ang bilis makadry ng air condition sa aeroplano. For some reason, I don't know why. Pero yun nga, so binili ko to for $3.99 and I brought it with me to the Philippines and thank God I did dahil wala ako nakitang kiss my face. There you go. Tapos, at saka, ito pa, dinala ko galing dito rin sa Canada is Rimmel London Kate Moss, bebe Kate Moss. Pinakita ko na to sa inyo ng isang araw, I think. Pinakita ko na sa inyo itong isang araw. Pero yeah, that one and this one is here from Canada. And you know what? This one, Abino, I highly recommended it. Gamit ko na siya noon pa man. Pero talagang humiyang talaga. For some reason, I don't know. And to think, I thought it will be I'm gonna have an oily skin. Nasa Pilipinas ako, ginagamit ko siya. Pero hindi. Okay lang. So, there you go. I know that's for the body. It's a 24-hour protection, but I use it in my face. I don't care. It works for me. Whatever works for you, whatever, right? So, whatever works, do it. Ganon. Tapos ngayon, syempre, naganap ako ng tawag dito. Ano kayong ginagawa ng anak ko? Nakatingin lang siya dun, yung aso ko. Nakatunga nga lang siya dun sa mga frame. Kaya tinitingnan ko siya. Sorry. Ito ang binili ko sa Pilipinas. Binili ko to sa Shopwise. Ito ay Everbelena Daily Sunscreen Moisturizing Cream and Daily Sunscreen Whitening Cream. This is the whitening cream and this is the moisturizing cream. Now, this one, okay, this one guys, is ultra sheer, silky feeling, okay? This one have the whitening product of licorice, this one here. Okay? And it comes with vitamin E and shea butter. Okay? The problem is, when I first used this, I got, parang yung mga pula-pula sa mukha. Parang nagkaroon ako ng parang side effect. Dahil siguro sa something with the ingredients on this product. Pero, nung pinaghalo ko silang dalawa, kinumbine ko, umoks naman siya. Kaya, I will give this to a 2 stars, 2.5 stars, I give them both. Kasi, nung last time ako umuwi sa Pilipinas 8 years ago, okay guys, I got a problem. My face was burned over here, and I remember coming back here in Canada, sabi gano'n ng doktor, if you didn't come back here sooner, might become a skin cancer. Hindi ako nag-exaggerate, okay, mga kapatid. I won't lie to you in my own journal. Pero yun ang sabi ng doktor 8 years ago, okay? I have it over here. It's black, and like there's something on the top of it. And every time I take it off, it doesn't want to come off. It just keep coming back. So, yun. So, since then, kasi nga, nakalimutan ko yung yung, tawag dito, yung SPF ko. Nakalimutan ko siya. SPF ko at saka yung omega-3 salmon oil tablets ko. Yun ang dalawa kong nakalimutan. Okay, guys? Hindi ko nakalimutan yung moisturizer na for face ko kasi akala ko nga may kiss my face sa Pilipinas. Pero however, I bought this two and they're only 100 pesos, okay? As you can see, they're only 100 pesos. So they're not that bad. I mean, even they're only that this little tiny thing, but it works. So it doesn't matter, right? It works for me. So that's a UVA and UVB on it. There you go, guys. So that's the two things that I like, that I put 2 stars on it. 2.5 stars actually. Now, this is my holy grail. And you know, guys, this could be your holy grail when you were young also. A white flour and also the efficacy oil. And you know what, guys? This never changed. Even until now, talaga, nasa bote pa rin siyang babasagin. Akala ko pa naman magbabago siya through the years dahil nakakatakot, di ba? Mababagsak mo. Kahit na sinong bata ako, babasagin na to eh. Kahit yung maliit niyang yung maliit niyang bote, babasagin din yun. Ganito rin ang ganito rin ang kaya lang iba. Iba yung saraduhan. Pero I think this is the biggest battle. My mother bought this for me. So yan, efficacy oil and white flour is a holy grail. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng sakit and I think I told you this, guys. I was in St. Luke for one night. I was there in St. Luke's for one night. Nagpunta ako ng St. Luke's, okay? At that time, I can't speak anymore. My throat is like really, there's no more nothing. Kasi nawala na yung boses ko. And I got a viral infection. Okay, guys, alam niyo naman ako, grabe, kung magkasakit, iba. So, 2.5 weeks bago talagang bumalik ako sa lakas. Sa totoo lang, okay? Again, walang exaggeration. Tanong niyo sa nanay ko. Hindi ko talaga, wala na talaga lumalabas ng boses sa voice ko. Talaga walang boses. Voice, no? Walang boses. Anyway, ito ang ginagamit ko at saka ito. And then every time I take a shower after I take a shower, sorry guys, talagang ito lalamunan ko, hindi na talaga gagaling. After I take a shower, my mother will put me this or my sister will put me this, lalo na pag masakit ang katawan ko, yan ang nilalagay ko, saka ito. Okay, there's my holy grail of holy grail. Sa mga Pilipino kong kapatid, saan pa kayo nakatira man, alam nyo to, ito. Kung pinakalakihan nyo yan, alam nyo yung product na yan. So, this one is Koji-san, okay? And you know, I showed this to you before, I think last year ago, when I started using this, okay guys, to whiten my underarm. Kasi, alam niyo naman, yun lang ang pinapa-whiten ko sa katawan ko. I just want to whiten my underarm. And so far, okay, nag-reduce yung pagka-brownish ng color ng kilikili ko. You know what I mean? Parang kuminis-kinis siya. Tama ba yung kuminis-kinis siya? O pumuti-puti pala siya. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin. Pumuti-puti pala siya. So, it works for me. I will give this Koji-san 3.5 stars. For now, kasi hindi ko pa masyadong, kasi isang taon pa lang naman eh. Wala pang isang taon ata. I don't know anymore. Pero yeah, I don't think it's been 1 year yet. No. Siguro mga months, mga few months pa lang. Yes, mga, no, not 7 months. Mga 6 months pa lang ko ito ginagamit. No, I think it's more than. No, sorry. I think it's more than that. Kasi inumpisahan ko to August eh. Katulad ng pag-umpisa ko ng ng pag-YouTube ko. So yeah. So yun. Highly recommend it if you wanna whiten your skin. Okay? I think you have to concentrate in one spot only. Para sa akin one spot muna. Kasi pag nilahat mo lahat, hindi mo malalaman kung saan talaga pumuputi. Kaya talaga, I always make it sure doon ko lang siya nilalagay sa kilikili ko. Para nakikita ko yung improvement niya. Yun. Okay? Now, this is, like I said, when I go back, when I was in the Philippines, I don't have my lotion kasi nga ayaw kong magdala ng mabibigat na gamit. Dahil sabi ng asawa ko, huwag kang magdala ng masyadong mabigat dahil baka kung mapano ka. So, I bought this in Hyper. Yun lang naman pinamimilihan ko, Hyper Save More Pure Gold. Kasi dati namili kami sa Shopwise malapit sa Cubao. But my mother was disappointed at hindi siya niya nagustuhan yung service. So, she didn't go back there. So, yun. Ganun naman kami. Pero, yeah. So, I found this abonné. Hindi ko alam kung talaga ang tama yung pronunciation ko. But Abonné, the Miracle Spa Milk, this one is the UB, okay? Whitening lotion to. Nagustuhan ko dito is there's also a lycopene on it. Tomato is a tomato, lycopene, okay? Which is also have a whitening, parang chemicals or whitening things on it. Ano ba naman, Jasmine? Umutot ang ano ko. Sorry ah. Whew! Stinky. Jaja, stink. Pero anyway. Yan. Sorry mga kapatid. Grabe. So anyway, yun nga. So binili ko to. It was on sale in Hyper. And I bought it for $198. Pero nung bumalik ako next time, kasi nga gusto ko pang bumili dahil nga sale shot that time. Sorry. Wala na tong bote na to. It's gone. It's sold out. So, meron tong isa pa. Parang pink na pink siya. Pero itong nagustuhan ko dahil parang tawag dito. Parang umepekto siya. Kahit dun sa sa pamangkin kong Bex. Kasi yung pamangkin kong Bex. Na ginamit niya rin yung ganito ko. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ako tita, yung yung elbow ko parang namumut na ano ko daling Tagalog. Parang nawawala yung pagkaitim. May tawag dun eh. Parang nagbabakbak yung skin dahil nag-iiba na yung discoloration ng skin. Ano ba tawag dun? Whatever. Pero yun, ginamit niya rin to. Sabi ko pa nga sa kanya, yun nga, hindi maganda, sabi ko sa kanya, yun. Tapos, I think this product is made from Thailand. You see? Because of the writing on the back, I think. Okay? So, that's what I presume. Kasi dito din sa mga writing nila, para siyang from Thailand. Pero yeah, this is made, and also with nano white glutathione. Diba, alam niyo naman ng mga artista sa Pilipinas, either they consume capsules of glutathione or they have the injection of glutathione to make them, to whiten their skin. That's what I heard anyway. From plastic surgeon. Okay guys, so ayun, ito ang aking January favorites, okay? I know it's already middle of February, pero you know naman me, I don't do January, I don't do a lot of favorites on my vlogs. So it's very seldom and very rare that I do this. I think November, October, and October, I think hindi din ako ng October favorites ko. Pero yeah, November, December, I didn't put any of my favorites. So, you know what guys, this is a thing. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa Pilipinas na nagustuhan ko, pero talagang na-miss ko to. Yung amoy pa lang nito at saka yung init sa katawan, napakasarap. Talagang super, super, super. Ginamit ko yan the first day I came back here in Canada dahil talagang masakit ang katawan ko dahil 39 hours akong walang tulog. Tapos sakit pa magbuhat ng mga gamit kasi dalawang hand carry ko. So, that's it guys. That's for my vlog for today. And thank you for my oh God. No, thank you for my subscriber. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for watching my vlogs. Thank you mga sisters. Thank you. And maraming salamat talaga. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng vlogs ko. And then I was watching all your vlogs again this morning as usual, last night before I go to bed. I did. So that's it guys. I'll see you tomorrow.